Alright, so welcome back to the channel, guys. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and I'm here with another driving video. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Trying to reach 10,000 subscribers within 2 months maximum. So we're on Brunswick Avenue in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. So we're in the old capital. So I'll be driving from Brunswick Avenue to basically the Spanish Town Hospital. So that's what we're covering today, guys. Remember to like the video, comment, and share the video as well. So we're still on the Brunswick. A lot of older type dwellings and buildings in this part of St. Catherine, as you can see. So just trying to highlight as much as I can for you guys. And remember to leave a comment, guys, if you're from Spanish Town, if you grew up in Spanish Town. Nugent Street was straight ahead, and we're still on the Brunswick. If you're still living in Spanish Town, let me know. So just showing you guys around this side. I know I don't come this side very often, so I wanted to highlight it for you guys. So stay tuned while we take a mini tour of Spanish Town, St. Catherine, Jamaica. So I think here is called Emancipation Square. See also a heritage trail, a lot of iconic older buildings around this side. I think our courthouse is around this side as well. So I'm gonna go around and take a quick look at the courthouse, and then we head back on our journey. So I see here St. Catherine Municipal Corporation, Jamaica Heritage Trail, Spanish Town. I know some courthouses around this side. So heritage tourism on the right. Alright guys, so stay tuned. And this is the St. Catherine Parish Court Office and Rodney Memorial Buildings and Colonnade. So a lot of older type buildings are on this side in St. Catherine, in Spanish Town. St. Catherine Parish Court over here as well, right in front of us. How many of you guys watching have ever been to this court, St. Catherine Parish Court, for whatever reason? Let us know in the comments. It don't have to be bad. It can be for something good. It could be that, you know, somebody owe you money and you had to sue them. So let me know. Alright, so we're back on the journey. And again, we are gonna end the video right outside of the Spanish Town Hospital, Wellington Street on the left. All right. treat. Again, some more iconic buildings. St. Catherine Parish Library on the left, Bishop Lane on the right. We have the National Water Irrigation Commission Limited for Spanish Town, National Work Agency. We have this the prison on the right. So all that, I'm not sure if you guys catching the wall to the right of the screen. Alright, so that's the prison in Spanish Town. Let's see how familiar you guys are with Spanish Town. Let me know the name of that prison. And then we're coming up to the Spanish Town Hospital right now, one of the busier, if not the busiest hospital in Jamaica. And then we have the Rubies up a little further as well. Alright guys, so remember, comment if it's the first you guys are seeing this side of this side of St. Catherine, this side of Jamaica. Let me know. Even if you're living in Jamaica, it doesn't mean you come this side regular. If you're overseas as well, you may not get a chance to come this side regularly. So let me know in the comment section. See some traffic building up on the outside. Alright guys, so just a little commercial break before we jump back to the video. So I know you guys saw the traffic and everything. It was actually an accident right on the bridge, leaving Spanish Town or entering Spanish Town, that main bridge, including a Toyota Probox. It literally collided in the railing at the bridge. So if there was no railing, or the railing was weak, it would have gone down in the river, which is very deep because that's a very high bridge. I'll show you guys a clip just after this, so let's wait for the clip and then we go back to the video. Guys, so that was an accident. So that was an accident that was causing the traffic. Alright, so lots of traffic out this side, but again guys, remember to comment, remember to like, remember to share, and whatever story / memory you have of this side of St. Catherine, this side of Spanish Town, just let me know in the comments section. So I really appreciate all the support. I appreciate you guys watching, commenting, sharing. And again, we're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. So I know every single help is important. So that's the Spanish Town Hospital in front of us. Wanted to zoom in a little bit for you guys. Alright, so that's the Spanish Town Hospital over that side. The bus is blocking it a little bit. But again guys, remember to comment, share your experiences, and this was just a quick drive in Spanish Town, just highlighting the area. So I'll definitely see you guys on another driving video.